GTA 6 is almost here, and if you're sitting there right now wondering whether your GPU can actually handle it, this video is going to save you a serious amount of money. You do not need to drop $500 on a GPU to have good experience in GTA 6. In fact, I'm going to show you today that two budget cards, one from AMD, one from NVIDIA, are going to carry you through GTA 6 without breaking a sweat. Because this isn't just about launch day, this is about the next 2 to 3 years of gaming. Let's get into it. Before we talk cards, let's be real about what GTA 6 is demanding from your PC. Rockstar built this game on an upgraded version of the Rage engine, the same engine behind Red Dead Redemption 2, which still brings mid-range GPUs to their knees in 2026. Based on everything we know right now, the predicted minimum spec sits around a GTX 1660 Super. But if you actually want smooth, playable, enjoyable 1080p gameplay, you're going to need something with at least 8 to 12 gigs of RAM and enough horsepower to push consistent frames in a world this dense. That's exactly where our two cards today come in. The RX 6700 XT from AMD, 12 gigabytes of RAM. The RTX 4060 from NVIDIA, 8 gigabytes, but with DLSS 3 frame generation as its secret weapon. Both sitting in that budget to mid-range sweet spot. Both absolutely worth talking about. Let's start with the AMD side, the RX 6700 XT. Some of you are thinking, that card's been around for a while. And you're right, it launched back in 2021. But here's why it's still one of the best value propositions you can find for GTA 6 right now. 12 gigabytes of VRAM is the number that matters most going into GTA 6. Rockstar's open worlds are texture heavy, and more VRAM means less stuttering and smoother frame delivery, especially as the game gets updated and texture quality gets pushed higher. In real-world benchmarks on demanding open world titles at 1080p, the 6700 XT is consistently hitting 80 to 100. For most of you on 1080p monitors, this card is actually impressive. Another thing is that AMD has FSR 3, which works across basically every GPU, including this one. So even if you need to drop your resolution slightly to maintain 60 plus frames, FSR 3 upscaling is going to make it look sharp. You can find the RX 6700 XT new or used right now anywhere from $300 to $350 depending on your region. That is an exceptional value for 12 gigs of VRAM. For NVIDIA, the RTX 4060 is the best budget option. This card was launched at $299, and right now you can find it for around $260 to $280. In raw performance, the RTX 4060 is a bit slower than the RX 6700 XT. Then why is it on the list? There are two reasons: DLSS 3 and efficiency. DLSS 3 frame generation is a genuine game changer for a title like GTA 6. NVIDIA's AI-powered upscaling doesn't just make the image sharper, frame generation actually synthesizes entirely new frames, which means on a game this demanding, you could realistically see a 40 to 60% boost in frame rate just by enabling it. That turns a 50 FPS experience into a smooth 75 to 80 FPS experience. Then there's efficiency. The 4060 sips power at just 115 watts. The 6700 XT pulls 230 watts under load. If you're running a budget build, a smaller PSU, or you just care about your electricity bill, then 4060 wins here comfortably. However, this card's weakness is its 8 gigs of VRAM. In a game as open and texture heavy as GTA 6, that 8 gigabyte ceiling could become a bottleneck, especially at higher texture settings, or if you've got GTA Online loaded up with a packed server. For most people, the RX 6700 XT is the smarter buy right now, purely because 12 gigs of VRAM is going to age much better than 8 gigs as GTA 6 gets updates, mods, and texture packs over the next few years. However, if you're all in on NVIDIA, or you want that DLSS frame generation magic for buttery smooth gameplay, then the RTX 4060 absolutely earns its place here. Also, if you found this video entertaining, and you think it considers a like, alongside a subscribe, then please do. Until we meet again.